Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to install updates in any FitGirl Repack game. I show you guys how to do it. First, here is the version. You can download one of these guys. After downloading it, here is the RAR file. I have the second one right over here, as you can see. And then just right click on the RAR file and select WinRAR and select extract to. After getting extract done, double click on the extracted folder. Double click on the application, select yes, select the language and select OK. Select next again, and select the browse option. And you just need to select the game folder, guys. I saved in C drive games, and here is the game folder, guys. After selecting the game folder, select OK option, select next. Already exists. Would you like to install to that folder anyways? Select yes option, leave as it is, and select next option and select next again, select the install option. Before installing the game, I need to show the current version of the game, guys. Just right click on the game and select open file location, and here is the launcher. Just right click and select properties, go to details, and as you can see, my game current version is 1.1.30, and we are going to upgrade to 1.1.40. And now select the install option. After the installation done, select the finish option, check this verify all game files so that if any files are missing, it will be shown here. As you can see, all files are done and 75 files okay. And just click on exit option and right click on the game on the desktop shortcut and select open file location. Right click on the game and select properties, go to details. And as you can see, the game is updated, guys. And now I'm gonna launch the game for you. And the game launch without having any problem, guys. And that's it for today's video, guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.